Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you a WhatsApp marketer? Do you sell anything online and you wish to be able to automate your WhatsApp? Then this video is for you. You will agree with me that you need a customized link that can lead your customers right into your DM without you doing anything. Alright, and if you've been wondering how to generate a particular customized link that can help you lead your customers into your DM, then you should stay with me till the end of this video, as in this video I am going to show you the step-by-step process involved in generating a WhatsApp customized link without any stress at all. Are you excited to hear about that? Then stay with me to the end of this video. If you are just seeing me for the first time, this is Victor Joseph right here, and what I do in this channel is to record tutorials that makes life easy for you and make you better overall. Alright, if you are excited to hear about that, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post new videos in this particular channel. Are you ready to journey with me? Now let me quickly show you this exact step-by-step process involved in generating a WhatsApp customized link for yourself. Alright, are you ready? Let's head into my screen right now. Alright, so guys, I'm on my screen right now and I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process involved in generating your own customized personal WhatsApp link right now that can lead your customers or your generated leads or target audience right into your DM. Alright, so just follow me closely as I'm going to show you the processes involved. Alright, what you're going to do is just to go over to your browser, either your Google Chrome or Safari or whichever browser you're using, and then you're going to click it open. Alright, so this is my browser right now. So the link we're going to use is just wa.link. So that is the link, and then hit enter. wa.link, hit enter. Alright, so create WhatsApp links. Create WhatsApp links. So what you're going to do is just to scroll down till you get to this particular point. Either you're using a smartphone or a laptop, the process is just exactly the same. The process is just exactly the same whether you're using a smartphone or a laptop. So just follow me closely and you can do the same thing right in your PC and in your smartphone. Okay, so what you're going to do is just to come over to this place that says your phone number. Click on it and then type in your phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to type in my WhatsApp phone number right here. Okay, then the next you're going to do, if you want, if you have seen a particular video or a particular link where you, after clicking on the link, it generated an automatic message for you to send to the particular person whose link you clicked on, then this is how it is being achieved. So what you're going to do is just to click on this add a custom message. Add a custom message that users will send to you. So I'm just going to type hi Victor. Okay, I am interested in your WhatsApp automation course. How do I get in? Okay, I can say hi Victor, my name is, okay, let's add introduction. My name is, then open bracket, insert, just type insert your name here. Okay, so, and then after inserting the name, the person will proceed to why it's on your DM. Alright, so how do I get in? Now this is what you are going to do. You have just set an automatic message or a custom message that your client or your target audience is going to send to you immediately the person clicks on your link. Alright, so this is exactly what is going to send to you immediately the person clicks on your link. Alright, so what are we going to do? I'm just going to come down here and then generate my wa.link. That's all. So just click on it and this is it. It has generated your link for you. It has generated your your WhatsApp link for you, for your business and all that. So what you're going to do is just to scroll down here and then click on copy link. So just click on it and then it says copied. Alright, you see down there the link has been copied, and that is just all that you have to do. Anywhere you post this particular link right now that you just copied, wherever platform you post it, anybody that clicks on that link will be automatically directed into your DM. Okay, the person will be automatically directed into your DM with that custom message that you just constructed. That is the exact thing that the person is going to get. All right, so I believe you just got value from this particular video. If you did, consider subscribing to this channel right now and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time I post new videos. And if you've been here before, you have already subscribed, what you're going to do for me right now is just to smash the like button, smash that button. It doesn't cost a dime to smash that like button, and then drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for staying around till now. Do have a wonderful day till I record another tutorial. Bye.